The graveyard? So don't you have enough place in your house to recite Holy Quran? If it's necessary, if you are standing there, you see, there are some people who have assigned some duties in the graveyards. So they are living there, they are staying there. So for them, there is no harm to recite Holy Quran. Even you can also recite Holy Quran, but not purposely to go there and stand in front of any particular grave and then recite the Holy Quran. No, you should not. You can pray for the person who is buried in that grave. You can recite Surah Fatiha, the Rushif, and pray for him. But not that purposely recite the Holy Quran and think that he is listening to what you are reciting. That is not advisable.